Hello everyone, Fixing Foundations here. Today I want to talk about fractions and why people tend to find them confusing. And I think that the main reason they are confusing is because they're not that intuitive. So you might see something like 3 over 4, and you'll see the numbers 3 and 4 in it. And you might not necessarily assume that this is less than 1. Because if you take 3 over 4 and you turn this into a decimal, and the way you would do that is you would divide 3 by 4. You're going to get a number less than 1. That's going to equal 0.75. So you may see those two numbers and you might not think that this would be less than 1 because by themselves 3 and 4 are greater than 1, but they are in fact less than 1 when they are put in a fraction like this. But there's sort of an exception to this, and this is when numbers in the numerator are greater than those in the denominator. So let's say you had something like 5 over 4. Well, this would actually be greater than 1. And why is this? Well, if we were to take 5 and we were to divide it by 4, we would get 1.25 as our final answer. So something important to keep in mind when you are working with fractions is if the number in the numerator, and the numerator's up here, so these are the numerators. If these numbers are less than the denominator, and the denominator is down here, then the fraction is going to be less than 1, or let me circle the less than sign. It's going to be less than 1 in instances where the numerator is less than the denominator. But if the numerator is greater than the denominator, which is what we have here, you see, we have 5 here, and that is greater than 4. Well, then that means that our fraction is going to be greater than 1. So keep this rule in mind when you are working with fractions. I think it will make things less confusing for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are interested in seeing more videos regarding mathematics, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're interested in online tutoring, check out the description of this video. You might find something useful. Thanks again for watching.